Into our channel. This is how to prepare a promotional video, quality promotional video with Grok AI. I'm going to quickly go to my Grok AI, and if you don't have it, just download from the Play Store. This is Grok AI. I click on it. Now when you click on this, if you look up here, you're going to see ask and also imagine. Please click on imagine. That's where we want to go right now. I click on imagine. Just watch. So this is it. I'm now at imagine. Now here you have where you have type to imagine. I'm going to type what I need. Now I want to promote an electronics store. So I say Igbo business man promoting his electronics shop in the heart of Lagos busy markets. Okay, these are prompts. Now, most times, if you don't know what to, AI does a lot of things for you. If you don't know the idea of prompt, what the right thing to give to, because what I put now determines what the AI will give me. There's a little trick I put now, it gives me something different. So you might always go to ChatGPT to ask for better prompt, or just ChatGPT. You can go to the ask section of this Grok and ask for the right prompt to use. So you copy and come here to paste. But if you can generate on your own, do that. An Igbo businessman promoting his electronics shop in the heart of Lagos busy market. Okay, that's now. When you put this now, the system say image or video is under image because I want to see the image before I go to video. So I click on this arrow up here. Just let's watch. Now you see, notice something. Okay, this electronics or lie here. No. Now I didn't give the AI prompts of what the name of that electronics shop is. So you see what is giving me. And I didn't tell the AI that this should be inside a shop, a big shop. This is now open market. So if any of these things I want, I'm going to make it clear to AI. Now you can see the way these things are. Now, I didn't also say, look at the clothes they wear, doesn't look like an Igbo man. I didn't tell AI to let this person put on an Igbo attire. Now, I can just do this again to get the perfect thing. That's what AI, the prompt you give matters. An Igbo businessman on a simple t-shirt and jeans outfit, promoting his electronics shop in a busy in a big Lagos market. The shop is a very large shop with many types, kinds of electronics. Make it realistic. You see all of this story I'm telling, is very important. Let's see what it's going to give me now. Okay, let me also say the name of the electronics shop is Emiko Electronics. Now, I have put all of this details, so I'm going to click on this arrow here now. Let's watch what we're going to see. See, you're going to have more than 10 different images. All you need to do is to select the one you now finally think is okay. I'm going to show you just how to do all of these things. You see it? You see, can you see? Very simple. Do you see? You see everything has changed because you gave further prompts. Everything has changed. Everything has changed. Now, I choose this one here. I want to choose this one. So all I need to do, I press on it hard like this. Now you see, you have make video, add to favorite, download. I don't want to download, I want to make video, so I click on make video. Just watch. It's reading. This is 0.1%. It's coming up. Just this, and this Grok, this is a free version. Now it's moving it, but I will not click it to open it because I want to prepare a video. Now I will not type what I want the video to say. It's not yet saying anything. I will not say let him say you're welcome to Emiko Electronics. Serve you to the best. Serve you. You know what you want to write. You know what is promotion. So whatever you want to do, you do it. Best. Okay, let me say we are the best in this business. Just watch. So let me just stop here. Now let me click on this. Let's prepare the video right now. But
you're welcome to Emiko Electronics. We are the best in this business. You're welcome to Emiko Electronics. We are the best in this business.
Are you seeing it? This is fantastic.
You're welcome to Emiko Electronics. We are the best in this business.
Now,
you're welcome
I click
to
on that download button.
We are the...
I stop it. I just click on that download button to download this video. This video is now already in my gallery. Very simple. So, if I want to post on this, now remember this is just something there may not be anything like Emiko Electronics, but it could be, I'm talking about your business, your school, whatever thing you want to promote. It could be a brand, it could be a product, it could be a business. You know what you want to say. You know what that thing is supposed to say. Now, remember this Grok, especially this free version, it uses only 6 minutes. 6 seconds video. You can prepare. So you don't need to write lengthy things here. So if you want to talk more, it's very simple. As I've just written this, let him say, you're welcome to Emiko and we're here to serve you best. I've downloaded that. I will now type another thing that he will say, the same pictures, the same background. He will say another thing. If I wanted to, lengthy video of 30 seconds, that means I will put up to 5 of these videos, 7 different things. In that case, you can even go around. If you tell the system, please let him pick one of the products and show, it will do it exactly. That's the instruction. It will do that. You see him pick one of the products. Okay, look at this phone. This is that. Once you now gather these 5 videos, you go to your CapCut or any other editing tool, put them together, and your full video is ready. That's how simple this stuff are. I don't want to start going that process, but these are simple instructions so that we don't take the whole day on this video. You can see how simple it is. Anything you can promote, very simple. Now, we have an ongoing class dedicated to learning everything, generating prompts from ChatGPT, from Grok, from other tools, and preparing quality video, editing on CapCut, everything. If you want to join this class, very simple, 3-day class, everything. Though our main target is how to get all these contents you can use to monetize your Facebook profile or page. If you want to join the club, quickly indicate on the comment box wherever you are seeing this video, anywhere, and then you join our class. Very simple, and you're going to learn all of this stuff. You make money from it, you promote your business, you promote your products, and there's so much to gain from Grok. And all the tools we are going to use are free tools. You're not going to spend money on the tools once you pay for the fee for the class. Very simple, something almost less than $2. That's the fee for this class. So I'm going to stop at this point. If you are new to our channel, do well to subscribe. If you're watching this anywhere, follow us for more of this. Share this video, and if it makes sense to you, give us a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.